Hey guys, I have a Tesla Model Y here, and there's a small paint chip here on the hood, and yeah, it's kind of a shame that Tesla is just 1 year old and it has been driven for 40,000 kilometers, and it already has kind of a large rock paint chip. So I thought it makes perfect sense to try and cover this up. So I got from Jowua this touch-up pen. This is an inexpensive way to fix it up yourself. So what you need to do is just clean the surface, shake well, use brush to apply paint, and close tightly after each use. Okay, so close the paint bottle after use. I think this is 12 milliliters of paint, and it comes of course in all the Tesla colors. In the box you get the Tesla paint, so this Jowua paint bottle, and you also get this small brush, but I think the cap on this paint bottle also has a larger brush. So let's try it out. So in my case, the surface is already clean. I had the car just washed. The next step was to shake well and then use the brush to apply the paint. So let's shake the paint. Okay, next I'll try to apply the paint carefully. And that's about it, so I will leave it to dry. I think it looks already a lot better, even it hasn't dried yet, but we will see the end result once it is dry, so you will need to check out a later video from me. I'll show it when it's dry. Check the link out in the description for that. And if you want to order some of this Jowua touch-up pen, check the link in the description. There's a 5% discount code for the Jowua webshop, and also an Amazon link if you prefer to get it from there. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.